Kadoosh.
Wonder what Rivet's up to.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you
Yep.
nervous about meeting Ratchet?
Little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Hey! Clank.
Al.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Hey, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
God.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.